Welcome back to the Crypto Market Updates channel. Today is the 17th of November and you most likely, like me, woke up to a very red market after a nice week of green candles. But fear not, things are going to change once again. The reason why this happened is most likely due to the fact that the news was on the ETF approval from the SEC has been released and it's not looking good. It looks like the SEC once again has decided to postpone the approval of the ETF, the Bitcoin spot ETFs, or Bitcoin futures ETFs rather, and that's why the market is dumping again. So are we going to see a very red remainder of November, the month of November and December? Quite possibly, but fear not. Things are going to change once again towards the end of December, throughout Christmas, and of course towards the month of January. Whether approved or not, the market will turn green with expectation. And if it does get approved, if the ETF does get approved, then expect fireworks after the New Year's. But today I am going to show you how to add more liquidity to the liquidity pool for MEWCoin on non-KYC. If you haven't checked out my other video before showing explaining how to register with non-KYC and why to register with non-KYC and how to add to liquidity pools, then make sure to do that. I will post the link over here somewhere. But in today I'm going to add even more to the MEWCoin liquidity pool on non-KYC, and I will explain to you why I would like to do that. First of all, if you do join non-KYC, you can follow the ref link, which I will post below the video in the description. And if you do decide to refer non-KYC, you can earn up to 50% of collected fees from other users that you refer to non-KYC, but you must register, confirm your email within 24 hours or your account will be booted. Remember to get your faucets collected, because that's a feature of non-KYC that allows you to collect some extra free crypto. And despite the fact that, you know, these crypto coins are not worth a lot of money right now, as they're being released. There is Bencoin that was being on offer. There is Dogecoin, Elon coin apparently as well. But there's a lot of cryptocurrencies given out for free, and you never know. One day, some of them may be worth something. As a matter of fact, I did exchange some of the cryptos that I received into USDT because the dollar amount was enough to exchange it into some USDT. So you have to refresh the website a few times because not all of these go through. So you have to do that a few times in order to get everything. For some reason, I don't know why, but apparently MEWCoin seems to be going in the opposite direction to the majority of the market. While everything is red, MEWCoin is green. And right now it's at 000137443 on non-KYC. I've got a bunch of open orders that I need to cancel first, so let's go ahead and do that. I'm gonna leave maybe one or two that I would like to keep. Basically, I've got open purchase orders at 13,191, 12,96, 12,85. I was hoping to scoop up some free, well, some relatively inexpensive MEWCoin, but it doesn't look like the price is willing to dip below this. The last time MEWCoin was that low was in November 23rd, oh sorry, November 9th, and the last time it was at 0.000049 was right here, and that was October, and it bounced up from that and it hasn't gone back since. It has been hovering around this area, but it does look like it might be retracing. In any case, I would like to add some more to the liquidity pools, because the liquidity pools on MEWCoin are very low. It's very low here on the non-KYC exchange. actually went up a little bit. It's $230 right now. Literally, that's the entire liquidity for the entire market for MEWCoin here, and which is makes up, what is it, 1.6 million MEWCoin in circulation here, which is not a lot. I have one liquidity pool, which is I added $10 and the equivalent of 75,000 MEWCoin, and that created a 4.4% share of the of all trading on the pool for me, and that is earning me some USDT, which is not a lot because it's a small, well, it's a small liquidity pool and it's a small share of the profit. So today I'm going to increase that to, well, let's see. Like I said, first I need to liquidate some of the open orders that I have. Let's go ahead and do that. I don't think it's going to go down all the way to these prices, but I'm very comfortable with scooping up some more MEWCoin at 191. So go to open orders here. First, cancel this one and cancel this one. Cancel this one as well. This one. Yes, I would like to make this. This is an order at 13,191. It's an order for 15,000 MEWCoin. I think I would like to place another order at this price for get another 15,000 MEWCoin. Make it a nice round 30,000. Yep, and that leaves me with $16 in the account, which I'm going to use to add to the liquidity pool. So let's go ahead and do that. So all you need to do is, once you're here, go to liquidity pools, find the MEWCoin USDT liquidity pools. It's also possible to add liquidity using MEWCoin Litecoin pairs, but today it's USDT. So I have to figure out what the amount is. What will it be? 150,000. Oh, that's too much. 100,000 will be not enough, probably. Yeah, it's 13. Let's see, 120,000. Yes, that's about right. Yeah, okay. It'll be 120,000 MEWCoin for $16.50. I've got $16.90 in my account. Let's add liquidity. Success. All right, liquidity added. The liquidity of the pool is now at $247. The listing shows the amount of liquidity I added, how much the value of what I added, and my percent share right now. So my overall liquidity share is above 10%. So I own 10% of the overall liquidity pool share on MEWCoin. Right there, 10.85%. That is pretty wild. I mean, how often can you say you own, you have a 10% stake in the liquidity of a pool of any given coin? Only in the early stages. And I also feel good that I'm helping out a little bit the community who are possibly trading on non-KYC. So there you go. That's my contribution, small contribution to the MEWCoin liquidity pool. And so I'm pretty sure that this little addition caused the price to spike up slightly from 137.94 to 139.52. That's another thing you can see with every purchase. Every active purchase of MEWCoin, you can see the price increase, which is also a pretty wild thing to see. In any case, that's it for this short video. I hope this was educational in some way. If you haven't done so yet, I strongly suggest you get involved with MEWCoin. MEWCoin, and also check out the other videos that I posted. MEWCoin is partnered up with Rhubarb Media. Rhubarb Media is the media company that helped propel Caspa to its $2 billion valuation. So the MEWCoin community has now high hopes for Rhubarb Media to do to help MEWCoin to get a bit more exposure. And so whether MEWCoin will go to $2 billion, we don't know. It should, technically, because it's a coin with a purpose. But in any case, we should see a bit more action on MEWCoin. And so now is a good time to get in and scoop up some relatively cheap MEWCoin before it pumps. And of course, when you do that, you will also be contributing to helping animals and animal shelters. So it's a good thing. So check out Discord, go over to Discord. There are free airdrops that occur on a regular basis. As a matter of fact, I'm waiting for one. I'm going to have an airdrop here on this channel. 10 people will be able to scoop up the equivalent of one mined block, which is 5,000 MEWCoin. I will announce that giveaway soon once things are in place. The things that I need to be in place will be in place, and once that's done, then I'll be releasing the video in which you will be able to get yourself 5,000 MEWCoin for participating. But in the meantime, head over to Discord, because that's probably where the announcement will come out first. And of course, you will be able to scoop up some free MEWCoin airdrops as well on the MEWCoin Discord. And you can get there. You can get to the Discord by following the MEWCoin website simply by going to MEWCcrypto.com and go to, at any page, I guess you can scroll down to the bottom of the website and you will see Discord right here, and just join Discord through there. Once you're there, let them know Crypto Father sent you. In the meantime, smash up the like, subscribe to the channel, and come back for another fantastic video on the Crypto Market Updates channel. Oh, it's Friday today. There might be another one coming up over the weekend, but definitely on Monday. Talk to you later. Peace.